Hello, this is question 2 on ECAA 2017. So in this question, we're given this big table of the results of all the matches played last season in a football league, and the home team score is always given first. So for example, this means that the Danube team scored 1 and the Amazon team scored 3. And every team plays every other team, so they play once at home and once away. And we want to know which was the only team to have scored at least 1 goal in every match they played last season. Okay, so we're given 5 teams, right? So that means we only really need to consider the 5 teams that we're given, because we know it's not going to be anything else. So that means that we're only considering the rows and the columns that I've highlighted in yellow here. Okay, and for each of the rows, that's the home team, right? So their score is given by the first number. So let's look across all of these rows and see if any of the first numbers are equal to 0. So for Amazon, doesn't look like it. And Ganges, we have 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So none of those are 0 either. And actually, if you quickly look through the other rows, all of these teams that have been highlighted scored at least 1 goal in their home game. Okay, so now we'll have to look at the away game to see if they had any games they played away where they didn't score any goals. So for Amazon, if you look at the away team's the second number now. So second number of 3, 2, 2. So in this game against the Nile, they scored 0. They didn't score any goals in that match. So that means Amazon is not our answer. And for Ganges, in the game against Yangtze, they didn't score anything, so Ganges is not our answer either. Right, let's look at Nile now. They didn't score anything in this game against Tigris, so not Nile. And for Rhine, Rhine scored at least 1 goal in every away game they played. And for Volga, okay, so they didn't score anything against the Nile either. So it's definitely not Volga either. And I have no idea why I wrote E before D, but you can clearly see that D, Rhine, is the answer.